Hi, Chandrashekar.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay.
What about you,
Yeah.
ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Chandrashekar. This is Aruna from Quality Department,
Yes,
Chandrashekar.
ma'am.
I just want to take a feedback interview from your side.
Okay.
Before starting that, first of all, congrats for your placements.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself? So, your
Yes.
earlier studies, hometown.
My name is Chandrashekar. I did my graduation in BE Civil Engineering at the Beregoda Institute of Technology, Polar. And I did my diploma in Government Polytechnic K.G.F. And I did my schooling in Sharjah Jain School, Bangarpet. And I am presently pursuing CACM course in CMTI, ma'am, Bangalore.
Okay. Uh, then, how did you get to know about CMTI, Chandrashekar?
Many of my friends joined here and they got placed in other some other places in India, ma'am. So I through them they referred me and I joined here, ma'am.
Okay. So, what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus? What was the new thing you learned here?
In our college, the COVID was started, so we did not came to know the details of civil constructions or. And when we joined the CMT, they taught us about construction and also about the interior. And they gave a brief details of the construction and also the interior, so that and they took us to the site so that we came to know the theoretical and practical knowledge of the construction and also the interior also. And it was very useful to us by knowing the technical and by theoretically and practically also.
Okay. Um, then, how was the trainers during the courses? How was their approach? Whether they were clearing your doubts?
Yes,
So,
ma'am. They were clearing. They were very friendly, ma'am. If we ask anything, they were saying, "Don't be shy. You can ask anything. We will answer you. We are there for you to answer only." And they were answering all the questions which were we are asking, ma'am.
then yeah. So, how was the site visits and all? So, whether you were attending only construction sites or interiors both?
No, ma'am. We went to experience center of interior also, ma'am. We went to construction also, and also we went to experience center of the different interior companies. And we went nearly we were going weekly once or twice, ma'am, in a week.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
we got
Uh,
more knowledge regarding this course.
okay. Okay, Chandrasekhar. Then, what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMT app was also good, ma'am, because if we get any doubt, we can clear it by knowing it, ma'am. And if we have any doubt regarding the course, if the CMT app was very useful for online course, ma'am, because if we don't know anything, we can search it by and we can know the uh, details, knowledge, and
Then, so how was the CMTI staffs during the coordination and all?
yes, ma'am.
So
They was
overall,
very good. They were very good, ma'am. They were interacting us day by day, and they were knowing the development, how the development was going on of us, and how we were going to interview, and how what were the questions asked by them, and they were collecting all the information regarding us, and they were knowing. They were saying out you should. Develop on this side, you should develop on the communication, and you should develop on other which we are less, and they were telling us to develop on that.
okay, fine. So how was your experience in CMTI?
Experience was very good, ma'am, because for a civil engineer there was no course in any places, ma'am. It was a fresh for us to gain the knowledge, and it was very good, ma'am. Because joining CMT was a good experience for us, ma'am.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
And CMT is a very good institute where we can gain the knowledge and develop our career. And it is a main platform for the civil engineers who are fresher, and they can gain more knowledge by knowing the outsource of the industries.
Okay, okay, Chandrasekhar. Thanks for your feedback, and
Thank you.
I wish all the best for your future.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
once again, congrats for your placements.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
Chandrasekhar.
Thank you.